All right, so for the first assignment for Module 4, it's the 4-1 short answer, Intent for the Statue of Liberty. You're going to want to read the article, The Statue of Liberty, A Transatlantic Story, and just in case you're not sure where it is, it's under the Module 4 resources. It is the first article there. So once you complete that, you're going to answer some questions based on it. And if you go back to the directions of the link, it does ask you to review the guidelines and the rubric, and that is right here. So the rubric has the questions, and that is respond to the following questions using the information presented in the module and your own experience. So that's where the subjectivity part comes in that I mentioned in the previous announcement. And then obviously fulfill the length guidelines that are stated. So having read the articles presented in this module, reflect on how their discussion of intent and the changes to it affect your interpretation or understanding of the Statue of Liberty. Now, if you haven't read the article yet, that might be a hard question to answer. So just read the article first and then get back to this. And then question 2, think about the artifact that you're studying for Project 1, and then pose a question about the intent of the creator of that artifact. And in 1 to 2 paragraphs, explain one approach that you may take to find the answer to that question. So that's pretty much it. If you have questions about that, be sure to let me know or post it in the general questions link. And it is due this Friday by 11:59 p.m. of your time zone. Now for the next one, the 4-2 worksheet, they want you to review these resources about Elvis Presley, his song All Shook Up. And you are going to practice answering questions for your artifact based on All Shook Up as an example. Now, to clarify what I mean is I'm going to pull up the worksheet that you're going to be working on, and it's going to have 3 columns. So the first column are questions based on the All Shook Up song. And here are the directions right here. So for instance, in the first column, you will find questions from Project 1, and they're all right here. The second column are strategies for answering the questions from column 1, but based on the artifact All Shook Up by Elvis Presley. So column 2 is just an example of the detail that we're looking for that you want to write in. So you don't have to know or memorize anything about this. It's just interesting to hear about and stuff like that. And then the third column, that is what you're going to practice inserting your own answers based on your chosen artifact, answering the questions from column 1. So to keep it simple, column 2 is just giving you a sample of what the assignment should look like in terms of the length and quality of your answers. You're answering the questions from column 1, and you're putting them in the answers into column 3 based on your artifact. And column 2 is just an example, a sample of how it looks. Now that is a lot of word salad that I threw at you. If after you've read the directions and listened to what I said, if you're still confused, just shoot me an email and let me know, and I will help clarify. Or put it in the general questions link in the discussion link area, and I'll answer it there too. Thank you very much.